दिस ब्रेवरी आजकल कहाँ है? आजकल कहाँ है मुसलमानों में? आप हमारे बॉयज को देखें, यंगस्टर्स को देखें, जो चाहे कॉर्पोरेट्स में काम कर रहे हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़े हैं, दे आर wannabe gangsters. They are going to, they are clubbing and pubbing and popping pills. No fast, no prayer, कोई नमाज कुरान नहीं, कोई तकवा नहीं. Blasting devil's music on streets in their cars, harassing women, oppressing women, lying to women, doing flirts with women, smoking weed, and he thinks he's a bad man. हमारी बहनों को देखें, मैक का मेकअप लगा के, रस्टी शनैल बैग उठा के, फेक लैशेस लगा के, लॉन्ग आर्टिफिशियल नेल्स लगा के, हाई हील्स पहन के, शनैल का परफ्यूम वेयर करके, goes to her wardrobe, looks for the loudest of clothes, which stands out the most, which attracts the most, which allures the most, and show what it shouldn't show. She gets picked up, dropped off to one of the shisha lounges, smokes, walks the walks and talks the talks. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un, and thinks like she is Beyonce and Lady Gaga. I mean, banda हैरान होता है कि I ask, is there a problem with Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiyallahu anhu? Is there a problem with Umar ibn Khattab? Is there an issue with Usman bin Affan? Is there a problem with Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu? Is there a problem with Fatima radiyallahu anha? Aisha Umm al-Mu'mineen radiyallahu anha? Khadija al-Kubra radiyallahu anha? Is there a problem with such personalities? Then why do we follow Beyonce and Jay-Z and Lady Gaga and Enrique, these filths of this earth? And people like Hannah Montana and Dal Bilzerian, किस तरह के लोग हम follow कर रहे हैं? हमें role models नहीं मिले क्या? Our history is rich of such people, of mountains,